Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Java method overloading can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's trace the code to see how the word variable changes its value. First, we initialize our object with the string bandana. Then we call the update method with 2 arguments, d and tie. This finds the index of d, which is 3. The code takes that index 3 and adds the string tie to it. This means our word variable is now updated to the new string value of 3 followed by tie. Finally, we call the single argument update with scarf. This prepends scarf to our current string, resulting in the final output of scarf 3 tie. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given and check your steps.